Welcome to Connolly Cove. Today we're taking you on a breathtaking journey to the hidden gem of Egremni Beach in Lefkada, where pristine waters meet majestic cliffs. Let's dive straight into the magic of this place. Egremni Beach is nestled on the stunning island of Lefkada in Greece, part of the Ionian Islands. What makes this beach truly exceptional is its mesmerizing contrast between the crystal-clear turquoise waters and the towering limestone cliffs that surround it. The Ionian Sea, where Egremni is located, is renowned for its gentle waves, creating a tranquil atmosphere perfect for swimming and relaxation. The limestone rocks here display nature's artistry with a mix of colors and textures, making it a paradise for photographers and nature lovers. The water at Egremni Beach is so incredibly clear that you can see the seafloor even at considerable depths. Snorkeling enthusiasts will have the opportunity to explore the vibrant underwater world of the Ionian Sea, teeming with marine life and colorful coral formations. Egremni Beach is accessible by car, and the journey itself offers picturesque views of the island. But it's worth noting that parking can be a challenge, especially during the day. Parking is paid, and spaces fill up quickly. The best time to visit is early morning or late afternoon when the crowds have thinned out. The morning sun brings out the beach's vibrant colors, and the late afternoon offers a serene atmosphere, ideal for watching the sunset. To reach the beach, you'll need to descend a long path and take 347 stairs down the cliff. It can be quite a hike, so make sure you're prepared with comfortable footwear. The journey down is an adventure in itself, with the cliffs towering above and the azure sea below. As you make your way down, the views become more and more spectacular. The journey itself is an adventure, and it makes the destination all the more rewarding. Don't forget to pack your beach essentials, including sunscreen, water and snacks, as there are limited facilities at the beach. If you prefer to skip the stairs, you can relax at the bar located next to the path. Sip on a delicious coffee or a refreshing beer while taking in the mesmerizing views of the sea and the sunset. This is the perfect spot to unwind and soak in the beauty of Egremni without breaking a sweat. Egremni Beach in Lefkada is a place of unparalleled natural beauty, with its emerald waters, dramatic cliffs, and enchanting atmosphere. To truly enjoy this pristine paradise, remember to plan your visit during off-peak hours. And if you're willing to wait, you might just snag a parking spot for free at the end of the day. And as the sun sets over Egremni Beach, painting the sky with vivid colors, you'll understand why this hidden treasure is a must-visit. It's a place that leaves an indelible mark on your soul. If you've enjoyed this virtual tour of Egremni Beach, give us a follow and a like to support our channel, Connolly Cove. And until next time, keep exploring the world's wonders. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and we'll see you in our next adventure.